Will NEET MDS 2023 be postponed again? This is one of the burning questions which you guys are facing right now, and this video is an attempt to clarify the same. See, in the month of September 2022, there was a notification stating that NEET PG 2023 will be conducted on March 5th, 2023, whereas NEET MDS 2023 will be conducted on January 8th, 2023. However, later there was another notification from NB stating that NEET MDS 2023 has been rescheduled and the exam date would be March 1st, 2023. So, as the exam date is approaching, many of you have been asking me questions online as well as offline, like, will the exam be postponed once again? See, first of all, let me clarify that I don't see any reason why exam will be postponed again. Because when you look into NEET PG 2023 notification, they have clearly mentioned on January 5th, stating that the application forms for NEET PG will be released very soon, and they've asked the aspirants to keep a tab on natboard.edu.in as well as nbe.edu.in. So in that notification, they've clearly mentioned that NEET PG 2023 will be conducted on March 5th, 2023. So I reckon NEET MDS 2023 will be conducted as per the revised schedule, that is March 1st, 2023. If in case there is any relevant update in this regard, we'll let you know through our YouTube channel, and you guys don't worry about these updates. Assume that the exam is going to be on March 1st, 2023, and go ahead with your revision plan without any second thoughts, right? For any further queries or you need any further clarifications, feel free to WhatsApp me 24/7. Wish you all the best. Love you all.